Do we got the big puppy tunnel out? Oh, yes, we do. Oh, we're going to have some fun in that tunnel. Oh, yes, we are. Okay, maybe we're going to play fight in the tunnel. What are you guys doing in there? Oh, good puppies. Good tunnel, 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 tunnel. Come here. Good puppies. Good puppies. So we have some people coming over to meet the puppies, but really to meet Willow and Merlin. So got lots of excitement over Treasured Standard Poodles. Yes, we do. And they're bringing little kids, so hoping to get some kid puppy time in today. So I don't know if I'll be able to videotape it, but just to let you know, we're doing some socialization today. All right.